Hello. Parang mas maganda tong mic na to kaysa dito sa mic na to, no? Hello. Hello. Parang mas malinaw to, no? Kaysa dito. Ganda outfit mo. Thank you. Hello, Princess. Sheila. Bilis, ang dami nyo agad. Hello, Ate Precious. Hello, Rise. Why so handsome? Thank you. Malinaw sa paningin. Sheila, present. Ano mas magandang mic? Itong sinasama ko. Itong ginagamit ko ngayon? Or itong maliit na to? Malakas music. Ayan, okay na. Hello, Princess. Hello, Rofa. Joel! Nilaro mo naman yung pangalan ko. Why so handsome? Thank you. Yung maliit. Ito, mas maganda to. Sige, ito na nga lang. Maganda kasi kumanta pag may hawak ng mic. Pero since gusto niyo to, ito na lang maliit. Shout out po sa mga Team CCTV. Ayaw niyo mag-join dito? Kaya natanggal. Slay ng fit. Thank you. Kasi old songs tayo ngayon eh. Ito na lang maliit. Kasi old songs tayo ngayon. Kaya yung outfit natin ngayon, pang old din. Yes. Present. Hello, Jam. Anong jam ka ba? Apple jam? Strawberry jam? Nobita, is that you? Doraemon! Wow! Wow! It's giving Arthur Neri. Huy! Arthur Neri? Arthur Cheeky. Ba't nakita ko si Justin sa outfit? Thank you naman. Pasintabi naman makaon. Sorry na.
Deep voice ka. Ito gusto mo deep voice. Umibitaw ng mahinahon at kumpay. Itaas ang kamay.
Forma Justin. Kadarating lang namin galing sine. Wow. Boss Estel. Justel yarn. Hinagawa ng trabaho si Kuya Mark. Ayun na nga. Dahil dyan, kung gusto nyo mag-request ng song, mag-send kayo ng ng hand hearts, confetti, or night star. It might be yung unang kanta. Pwede naman. Sige lang, send kayo. Send kayo ng paano ba maglagay ng sticker dito sa live? Diba naglalagay yun, yung may sticker dito na maliit, ganun. Parang si Makmak. Hello, Sai. Hand hearts. Oo, 100. Room. Sige lang, mag-ano kayo. Mga old songs nga eh. Sheesh! Poor lang po kami. Para ba maglagay ng sticker dito? Wait lang ha, kakalkalin ko kung malalagyan ko ba. Ano ba to? Bakit yung ibang nakakapag-live, meron silang maliit na sticker? May ganun. Paano ba yan ngayon ang panahon ng paniningil? Oo nga eh, mamaya. Sige. Napakaangas eh. Hello, Justin. Siba outfit ko ngayon. Ang laki ng sound card. Siba outfit ko ngayon. Kapantalon pa ako para sa inyo. Bawal ba yung tiglima lang? Pure boy ang atake. Oo. Anong oras na dyan? 9:04. Formal si Kuya. Oo. Formal lang tayo. Kasi old songs nga yung kakantahin natin. Kaya naka-old outfit tayo ngayon. Hello, Yana. Wala kasi kami pinasa sa Korea. Wow, enjoy kayo dyan. Your universe. Hindi ko alam yun eh. Cutie naman. Thank you. Bakit yan? Bawal ako mag-send ng gift. Bakit naman? Uy, Camelia. Camila Joy. Absent ako ng 5 araw. Hello, Mary Joy. Top 1 ako yan. Wow, congrats. Miss mo na naman ako. Kumusta? Ang mabibigay ko lang is love. Ayoko na nga, mag-end na nga ako. Hindi ako makapag-send ng gift. Sige, natulungan niyo ako sa goal. Ito yung goals, guys. Mag-send kayo ng alinman dyan. Kakantayin ko yung request nyo. Maka-edit ko lang sa The Heroine Eyeglasses. It's different. Tapos ganyan ka. Oo nga, no? Parang kamukha ko nga tuloy si Makmak. Ingat din, Camila Joy. Parang kamukha ko tuloy si Makmak nga. Ganda ng outfit, maestro, bagay na bagay mo sa'yo. Thank you naman. Baka naman pwede pa request. Sige lang, kung magre-request kayo, send lang kayo ng gifts. Ang layo naman ang ini-scroll ko. Justin, sana all pa naman. Hindi ako pinapansin ni Stella, sa'yo na lang. Ano gusto yun? Old songs? Team CCTV dyan, oh. Baka naman. Dito na kayo. Inutusan. Sige, kakanta na muna ako pang warm up. Kasi tulog pa yung boses ko eh. Pang warm up lang. Cutie mo dyan. Thank you. Set na sa busy. Thank you, o Pepe. Stop muna sa lahiro. Dito muna tayo kay Nobita. Hello, Gwen. Nat. Hello, Winnie. Ayan, hindi ka pa tulog, Win-Win. Mas maganda talaga tunog na itong maliit kaysa dito sa malaki. No? Hindi ko naman marinig yung tugtog. Sobrang hina. Hello, Sofia. Ayan, Nat. Na naman sa tulog sigawan mo ng pagising. Thank you, Envy.
Another summer day has come and gone away in Paris and Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone, but I wanna go home. I miss you, you know. I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, and each one a line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? But I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that. Another aeroplane, another summer place. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home.
Hello, hello.
Got to go home.
Hello, hello, hello.
Let me go home.
Thank you, Gwen.
I'm just too far, baby, I'm done. I wanna come home.
Ito yung goals, guys. Mag-send kayo ng alinman dyan and kakantayin ko yung request nyo.
I miss, feel just like I'm living someone else's life. It's like I just stepped outside and everything was going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me. It's not what's your dream to me.
And daw?
But you always believed in me. Another winter day has come and gone away in either Paris and Rome, and I wanna go home. Let me go home.
Oo nga eh.
And I'm surrounded by a million people, I still feel alone. Oh, let me go home. Yes, you know. me go home. I had my run, baby, I'm done. I gotta go home. Let me go home. It'll all be alright. I'll be home tonight. I'm coming back home.
That's Home by Michael Bublé. So, ayun na nga guys, huwag kayo mahiya mag-send ng gifts para ma-request niyo yung songs nyo. Mga favorite old songs nyo. Hello Faith, Gwen, dyan sa inyo. Wala pa yung mayayaman. Pasok na kayo, dali. Mag-send na kayo ng gifts. Di ako nakapalive nila, Kuya Mark. Color of the Wind. Wala akong coin, baka makalusot. Oo nga, yung utang ko sa'yo. Colors of the Wind. Pocahontas to, di ba? Of the Wind. Magiging Disney tayo nito. Balik ako later. Sige, ang cute na iyak ako. Paano iyak? Try ko lang to Paano mag-comment? Hindi ko rin alam, Altege.
PH.
Guys, patap-tap, pa-share ng live. Thank you. Ito na yung utang ko sa'yo, Sheila. Paano mag-request? Send lang po ng ng itong mga gift na yan. Alin man dyan. Hand hearts, confetti, or night star.
Think you want whatever land to land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim.
Ang bagal.
But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name.
Never thought, send gifts lang po.
You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you learn things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or asked the grinning bobcat why he grieved? Can you sing with all the voices on the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
Thank you po sa nag-send na confetti after ito.
Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come rolling off the riches all around you. And for once, never wonder what they were. The rainstorm and the river
Ito na.
are my brothers.
Ano ba gusto mo, Sheila?
The heron and the otter are my friends, and we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a hook that never ends. Have you ever heard a wolf cry to the blue paint with all, thank you Sheila, colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon. For whether we are white or copper skinned, we need to sing with all the voices on the mountains. We live for paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still all you own is earth until you can paint with all the colors of the wind.
Ayan, request ni Sheila, Colors of the Wind. Utang ko yan sa kanya. Actually, nauna na yung bayad niya bago ko pa makanta. Yung bayad niya nung mga nakarang araw pa. Tapos meron siya ulit request, favorite Disney song ko daw. Tapos meron ding request sino nga ulit? Si Beauty Touch. Ano request mong old song, Beauty Touch? Thank you po sa pag-send. Kantahin ko muna yung favorite kong request ni Sheila. Favorite ko daw na Disney song. Ito yun. Kaya po ba? Ano po yun? Bakit ba ikaw? Hindi naman old yun eh. Hello, Sophia. Sophia, Ito na, Sheila.
TH.
Sandali, Sandali, may kukunin ako. O sige, sabihin mo pag game na. Thank you, Faith. Pwede pa request. Ano yun, Joel? Sige lang, huwag ka mahiya. Ito, mag-send ka. Mamaya na. Anong mamaya na? Mamaya ka nakakantahin? Hello, Ria. Sige, mamaya na to. Ano pong ibang request mo, Beauty Touch? Oo nga, saan kayo guys? Huwag kayo mahiya. Ito, pili kayo dito. Confetti, Hand Hearts, or Night Star. Pag Night Star, dalawang kanta yun. Pagka Confetti or Hand Hearts, isang kanta lang. Pag Night Stars, dalawang songs. Hello, Ana, kumusta? Kumusta ka na? Belated happy birthday. Ano pa? Ano gusto niyo? Patugtog muna tayo habang wala pa nagre-request. Oy, thank you, Nat. Anong request mo? Ayusin mo yung request mo, Nat, ha? Makapahirapan, ha? Go na, Sheila. Itong kantang to ay duet to. Buko, sige, buko. Itong kantang to ay duet to. Duet song ito. Dito na lang ako matutulog pala, sabi ko. Ewan ko po, bahala ka na. Sige. Ayan, duet song ito ng Disney. Sana magustuhan nyo. Ito, old song talaga to kasi sobrang tagal na nitong kantang to. Pero alam nyo to.
Covers TH.
Hello. See the light? Do it with me. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart desire?
I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. And now I'm in a whole new world. Now I'm in a whole new world with unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world, 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far, I can't go back to where. A whole new world with new horizons to pursue. I'll chase them anywhere. It's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world, a whole new world. That's where we'll be. That's where we'll be. A thrilling chase, a wondrous place for you and me.
O, di ba? Dinuwit ko yung sarili ko. Do it with do it with self. Ano pa? Naipon na yung request. Hi, Chris Bean. Kumusta? Ano request ni Buko, di ba? Request ni Beauty Touch. Buko. Guys, wag kayo mahiya mag-request. Sadla kayo dito ng confetti or hand hearts or night star para kantahin kayo request nyo. Do it with Kuya Mark. Hoy, Cristel, kumusta? Live will. Live well. Thank you, Kuis. Thank you, Cristel. Thank you, Sheila. All by myself? Sige, send kayo ng Sige, kakantahin ko all by myself basta mag-send ka ng ng night stars. Oh, yan ang hamon ko sa'yo. Naku, paus ako ngayon.
Hindi ka naman namin pinakanta eh.
Napagod ako.
Daw po Ninang Ice.
Sino po mga?
Ka pa po, Beauty Touch. Ito na po yung request mo. Gusto mo, Pablo? Aka na. Sali mo ko. Thank you, Sheila. Kakatawin ka ng PFP. Nandito pa ba si Beauty Touch?
Naalala ko pa nung nililigawan pa lamang kita, dadalaw tuwing gabi. Masilayan lamang ang iyong mga ngiti at ika'y sasabihan. Bukas ng alas 7 sa dating tagpuan, buo ang araw ko. Marinig ko lang ang mga himig mo. Hindi ko man alam kung nasan ka. Wala man tayong komunikasyon. Paghihintay sa'yo, buong magdamag, dahil ikaw ang buhay ko. Kung inakala mo ng pag-ibig ko'y magbabago, itaga mo sa bato. Tumaan man ang Oy, thank you po, Pasko, kahit na Di mo naabot ang sakit kahit na di mo na ako marinig, ikaw pa rin ang buhay ko.
Alam, may pag ano. Thank you po, Ate Mitsuka. Ano pong request mo? Good night agad. Good night na sa'yo.
Lago pa nung pinapangarap pa lamang kita, hatid susunduin kahit mga bituin aking susungkitin. Kung inakala mo ng pag-ibig ko'y magbabago, itaga mo sa bato. Tumaan man ang maraming pasko, kahit na di mo naabot ang sakit, kahit na di mo na ako marinig, ikaw pa rin. Araw-araw kita niligawan, haananahin ka lagi. Kitang niligawan, haananahin ka lagi. Kung inakala mo ang pag-ibig ko'y magbabago, itaga mo sa bato. Sing with me! Nung pumuti man ang mga buhok ko, kung inakala mo.
Thank you, guys.
Itaga mo sa bato. Tumaan man ang maraming pasko, kung inakala mo ang pag-ibig ko'y magbabago, itaga mo sa bato. Tumaan man ang maraming pasko, kahit na umulubot ang balat, kahit na hirap ka nang lumilat, kahit na di mo naabot ang sakit, kahit na di mo na ako marinig, ikaw pa rin ang buhay ko.
Thank you po sa pagsalibis and request, Ate Beauty Touch. And may pila tayo. May gift si Nat. So may request siyang isa. Si Ate Mitsuka, may request siya. Ikaw, Nat, anong request mo? Magre-request ka? Thank you guys sa mga nag-send ng gifts, sa mga gusto mag-request ng song. Ito po yung goals natin tonight. Alin man po dyan yung isend nyo. And kakatayin ko po yung request nyo. Taga saan? Taga Malabon po. Wait, Kuya Mark. Ako lang to. Mag-isa lang ako. Dito ako Malabon. O, alam mo na. Sa niya. Andito ka pa po ba, Ate Mitsuka? Para kantahin ko na po yung request niyo. Kaso ang alam ko pong version yung yung kay David Pomeranz. Okay lang po. Sige po. May plan po ba kayo ng PICB-19 mag-meet and greet? Soon po. Sa ngayon, medyo busy pa po pero we'll see. Home by Daughtry. Hindi ko alam yan. Michael Bublé lang alam ko. Nagpantalon pa ako, hindi naman kita yung ano. Hindi naman kita pala. See you soon po, T-Beauty Touch. Salamat po. Ito po, The Old Songs by David Pomeranz. Request ni Ate Mitsuka. Baka nasa bahay si Mark.
Candles burning, glasses are chilled, and soon she'll be by. Open pray she'll say that she's willing to give another try. And before these plans are made, don't melt the latest heart. I'll put all the old fortified, and maybe the old songs will bring back the old times. Maybe the old lights will sound new. Maybe she'll lay her head on my shoulders. Maybe all feeling will go through. Maybe we'll start to cry and wonder why we ever walked away. Maybe the old songs will bring back the old times and make her wanna stay.
Thank you na. Thank you, Yana.
It's been too long without seeing her face light up. When I come home, it's been too many hours I've wasted still at the phone. Sweet old songs I'm counting on, bring her back to me. I'm tired of listening alone. And maybe the old songs will bring back the old times. Maybe the old lines will sound new. Maybe she'll lay her head on my shoulder, and maybe all feeling will come true. And maybe we'll start to cry and wonder why we ever walked away.
Sure po, pwedeng cash G.
Maybe the old songs will bring back the old times and make her wanna stay, and make her wanna stay.
Thank you po. Meron po sa mga password. Thank you, Clarice. Thank you, Tita Malu. Pwede po cash G. Thank you, Faith. Hello, Celia. Hello po. Ayan, request naman ni Nat. Salamat po, Ate Mitsuka, sa pag-request. Guys, kung may request kayo, ito po, saan lang po kayo ng gifts. One song po for hand hearts and confetti. Yan, one song po. Alin man po dyan. Tapos 2 songs po for night stars. So, kantahin naman natin yung request ni Nat. Best part daw. Hindi naman old song to, Nat eh. Hello, Celia.
Sports is a
Guys, huwag kayo
great
mahiya mag-request ha. Send lang po kayo ng gifts. Para makanta ko yung favorite old songs niyo. Home na. Uy, kumusta ka na, Zachi? Wala kang pasok.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you will know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Morning time is up to me. Here it, thank you.